33 nations in the FIFA history, first time ever. United States, Canada, and Mexico. 23rd edition, hosted by 3 nations. 48 nations played each other and for one champion trophy. In the group session, Group A, 4 teams as well exist in the Group A. Number 1, Mexico, the host country. Mexico is the first country who has third time host FIFA World Cup. South Korea, South Africa, and Denmark. 4 teams. Mexico is the most favorite team in the Group A. Group B. 4 teams as well exist in the Group B. Canada, first time host FIFA World Cup. Italy, second number and third number is a Qatar. And the Group B, fourth number team is a Switzerland. Most favorite nation in the Group B is a Italy. In the Group C, 4 teams as well exist in the Group C. Brazil, most successful nation in the FIFA World Cup. All 23rd edition play Brazil. Morocco second, Haiti, and the Scotland. Most favorite team in the Group C is Brazil. Group D, 4 teams as well exist in the Group D. Number 1, United States, the host nation, second time host FIFA World Cup by the United Nations. Number 2, Paraguay. Number 3, Australia, and the number 4, Turkey. Paraguay is the most favorite team in the Group D. In the Group E, 4 teams as well exist in the Group E. Germany, 4 time win FIFA World Cup. Croatia and the Costa Rica, and the number 4, Ecuador. Most favorite nation in the Group E is Germany. Group F, 4 teams as well exist in the Group F. Netherlands, number 2, Japan, and number 3 in the Group F is the Poland, and the number 4 in the Group F is the Tanzania. Most favorite nation in the Group F is the Netherlands. Group G, 4 teams as well exist in the Group G. Number 1, Belgium. Number 2, Egypt. Number 3 in the Group G is the Republic of Iran, and the number 4th in the Group G is New Zealand. Most favorite nation in the Group G is Belgium. Group H, 4 teams as well exist in the Group H. Spain, one-time FIFA World Cup 2010 edition, and the number 3 in the Group H is Saudi Arabia, 1934 FIFA World Cup host, and Uruguay. Most favorite team in the Group H is Spain. Group I, 4 teams as well exist in the Group I. Number 1, France, 2 time win FIFA World Cup 1998 and 2018. Number 2, Senegal. Number 3, Iraq. And the number 4 in the Group I is Norway. France is the most favorite nation in the Group F. In the Group J, 4 teams as well exist in the Group J. Number 1, Argentina, former champion 2022 FIFA World Cup by the Lionel Messi win for Argentina. Algeria, Austria, and the Jordan. Most favorite nation in the Group J is the Argentina. Group K, 4 teams as well exist in the Group K. Number 1, Portugal, most favorite nation in the FIFA World Cup winner. Number 2, Congo. Number 3, Uzbekistan, and the number 4, Colombia. In the Group K, most favorite nation in the number 12, L Group. 4 teams as well exist in the Group L. Number 1, England, one-time FIFA World Cup win 1966. Croatia, second time, and the Ghana, and the 4th number and the 48 team, Panama. All 48 teams and 12 group divided. Thanks for watching this video. Need your support to grow this channel. Please share in comment what you think about who will win FIFA World Cup 2026. I think Cristiano Ronaldo raised trophy for the FIFA World Cup for the Portugal in the first time in the history. Who will win FIFA World Cup? Please share in comment. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for again watching this video, and please share in comment who will win FIFA World Cup. Thanks for watching this video.